This is the inside of a propane box. Four-wheel campers have propane door, vented, sealed box, also vented to the outside underneath here. There's a mesh grate inside of here. Your connection hose, your regulator, and 2 tanks. One tank here and another tank that sits right here. Those tanks, when you buy a new camper, are empty. You have to have them purged for the first time at your local propane dealer. And then from the inside, the tank goes in. Nice snug fit because they don't want them sliding around in there. Your hose connection comes over the top, cover comes off. You can twist your tank to the location where you need it so you can hook on your hose. Most important part about hooking your connection up here is that the threads are on straight and that it's very tight, very snug. So we wiggle it and really get a good tight fit on there. What that's going to ensure is that the ball valve, the check valve inside of here, is seated inside of this nozzle. Once these tanks have propane in them, the hose is hooked up nice and tight. We open this valve up here very slowly. I usually take 10-20 seconds, open that tank. What that's allowing it to do is pressurize the check valve inside of this nozzle. There's a safety feature built into the hose that will sense when the propane flow is too great. So if a customer left the stove on inside, hooked up the tank and you didn't know it, this little check valve will shut off and slow the pressure, slow the propane flow down for safety. So we tighten this, open this slowly, we wait about a minute, hop inside the camper, we'll close our door here, hop inside the camper, and we can fire up our stove, we can fire up our refrigerator if it has propane feature, we can fire up our hot water, everything's working. These are 2.5 gallon tanks. Propane dealer will fill them about 80% full. Not too many problems. They're very reliable, easy to use. Make your connection, make sure this is tight, open your valve slowly. If you're not getting propane inside for some reason, sometimes it's a good idea to undo this, switch the tanks. Just take this tank, put it back here, take this tank, put it over here, hook it up, tighten it down, open it slow, hop inside and everything should work fine.